Love and Rent Control here. It's Christmas Day, and where are we?
We're in Tahquitz Canyon.
Just inside of Palm Springs.
Beautiful.
70 degrees on Christmas. It's fantastic, and it's really, really beautiful. We hit the desert. It's very
And
nice.
we're hiking to a waterfall.
When you live in Los Angeles, doing a desert Christmas is something that's not unusual.
Babbling Brook.
That's a Babbling Brook. Huh?
Bee.
Where? I don't see the bee. I see you.
There's a bee.
Where's the bee?
The bee.
There's a bee.
Busy bee.
Check out the hummingbird nest in the cactus. It's really cool. Take your shoes and socks off and put your feet in the water and you'll gain special powers. Tahquitz Canyon.
Wow.
Just inside Palm Springs was an amazing experience. You should all go and check it out if you're in the
Short
area.
and sweet, 2 miles round trip.
Amazing. Not too heavy,
But
not too light,
not too
you know.
light either.
Get a nice workout out of that. Love and Rent Control.
Thrift Logic Dash LA on eBay. We're going to thrift it up tomorrow.
Check us out, and check this out.